Hey, what's going on, it's Roger? So this is a unboxing and review of the new Tomica Limited Vintage Neo LVN 118 C and D. This is what we call the Zenki Nissan Leopard. So you can see this is my collection. I gotta thank Noguchi-san, my brother in Takamatsu, who got me this collection. 2016 Tomica Tomytec and Takara Tommy are kind of different companies. Anyways, Tomytec released the Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. Released 6 cars back in 2016, different variations, and my brother Noguchi-san got them for me. They are expensive. They're like 20 bucks each. And then Tomica Premium, that's the Takara Tommy, released these two right here, and the blue one was only an online special. So April 2019, they released 2 more Tomica Limited Vintage Neo, and these are the Zenki, the first generation before facelift Nissan Leopards, but also they are the lower models, which is the XS2 Grand Selection. It's right here, and how we can tell is that the Grand Selection has like an emblem right here that says Grand Selection on the fender in the real Nissan Leopard, and of course the better options and whatnot. So to complete the collection, I had to get both versions of it, and I'll just kind of make a comparison. Let me remove these two. So these are all Ultimas, the 3.0 model, and then these two that just recently came out are the Grand Selections, but the 2.0, the XS 2.0 model is has a different bumper, I believe, or maybe not in the Zenki. Anyways, let's do some unboxing real quick. Here is the two-tone white and silver. Pull this out quick. Sorry, I had it folded in because that part is messed up. So here, and these are not the premium, so they don't have opening doors or anything like that, but the detail is supremely great. This is the Zenki. It also comes with a front lip, as you can see right there. I'll put that on. Like I said, Grand Selection right there. Kind of laughed because it's like, can you see the options inside? Really. And then here is the two-tone black and silver, which a couple of my brothers have in Japan. I believe the XS2, has the turbo. In the real life, this right here is the rain sensor. But yeah, this is pretty slick. Again, this one comes with a front lip too. And if you, like I said, if you just kind of put the collection together, the ones that came out first were the LV N118A, B, and then of course the C and the D, but also the Koki, which is like the newer version, A, B, C, and D. But that's the complete collection of these right here, unless you want to count the Abunai Deka special ones, which are pretty expensive as well with the packaging. I think they're about like $100. Anyways, just a quick review on these. Currently, they are about, like I said, these are about $20 at any of the retail shops in Japan. But there you go, the complete collection of the Tomica Vintage Neo box set. So I just kind of wanted to compare the Ultima and the Ultima, which is a solid color, and the Grand Selection, which is two-tone. I forgot, it gets lost in translation, but I believe Grand Selections are two-tone as well. And there's a couple different, there's like 3 or 4 color schemes, but then there is a 1 of 1 red, or we would call wine in Japan, Zenki wine, Grand Selection, and with a sunroof, which is a big deal in Japan, and that's 1 of 1 special car that Nissan made for Mr. Kanazawa of Car Shop Friend, which I saw recently. That was actually pretty interesting. Again, the little details are a big deal in the F31 community in Japan. But again, pretty cool differences. But yeah, the rims are the same, the bumpers are the same. It's just the color scheme. Yep, everything's the same. Anyways, that's the collection.